Hey guys, welcome back to SynCal. Started taking apart a little bit of my truck this weekend and noticed my sill plates were getting cracked and worn out because of all the traffic that goes in and out for the past 8 to 9 years. Literally all you need is a soldering iron and a freaking zip tie. I tried putting weld dimes on it, but that was kind of a fail. So I want to keep all the original pieces with the truck itself. There's over 480,000 miles on this truck and it's a 6.0. It's just something that keeps the original stuff with the original truck. It just tells a story. So I'm basically just heating up the zip tie and then just spreading it out as much as I can on this plastic piece. The plastic crosses that you see underneath this whole seal plate is basically just cross members to keep it from breaking like it is. Over time they can fail and it's just a matter of time, and it's just life just happens. So what I'm doing here is heating up the plastic. I am basically pushing in the pointed part of the soldering iron. I'm also wiping off all the plastic that gets melted on there. Yes, you can wear a mask. I did not. You can also incorporate other plastics into this. You can get them from the Dollar Tree, hardware store, whatever the fuck. Take the pointy part of the soldering iron and just press it down into the plastic while incorporating new plastic into it. Here's the better view of the plastic welding. Wouldn't even call it welding, it's just putting things back together, I guess. Pretty much just heating up the plastic to plastic and butt welding it. I wanted to turn over these pieces to see how strong the one side would be, but unfortunately, you guys can see that it broke right here. Flipping it back over, I do the edges without adding the plastic this time and just using itself. Flipped it right back over. This is something that I did not want to do, but I welded the top of it. This is not the finished look. This is not the finished product. I don't show the final product in this video because I did it after I recorded, but I went ahead and just plastic welded this whole crack. Mind you, I tried to keep everything as flush as I possibly could. I even went with the angle of the point. You can see how rough but gentle I'm going just to try to get both of these incorporated. Okay, let's go see if it'll hold in the truck. Alright, put her in there. There it is. Alright, so I have another one here. It's gonna be right here. You can completely see through it. You can see it right there. So, I'm just gonna try to smush this through. This is extremely hot. Start on one end and then just work your way multiple times.